You can't jump from little things to big things. It just takes time and patience. Nobody angry all the time unless you are a psycho. Time and death are two precious assets that we don't recognize and appreciate until they have been depleted. The moon puts on an elegant show different every time in shape, color and nuance. Memories are like stones, time and distance erode them like acid. I absolutely love spending time with my family. It's time for a brother to be bound. I remember the first time I put on the army uniform. I just felt like a totally different person. I felt proud. It takes a long time to become young. But a city is more than a place in space, it is a drama in time. Most of the time, a kid does not think about what he is doing or why. This is the privilege of childhood. Spending time outdoors makes you feel great. The Joker is my favorite villain of all time. You don't know his past, you just know what his plans are.